Washington has struck again.
I'm so excited, and thanks so much for watching. Your West Coast travel guides, Cities and Seashores.
We're here on the Skycomish River at Alpine Falls, just off Highway 2 in Washington State.
Let's go!
Oh, hello, beautiful blue sky. I love how it peeks through the treetops like that.
I think I hear it over here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
This place is beautiful. Skycomish River. I feel bad even talking over it. I'm just gonna let you enjoy. I'm gonna be quiet now. And this is the dry season? I couldn't imagine this river when it's full.
Alpine Falls, I love you. Washington, this is absolutely amazing, and this is the best trip ever. I love this park, I love this state, and these waterfalls are my favorite. I think I'm just gonna say it every time because it's a waterfall, but I feel like a new person every time I get around water, and I feel so much better about light, and it just makes me feel the best. I can't help it. I get so excited.
I'd love to see this river full and rushing in the spring, but being here early fall, it's nice. Now we can get up close and personal. Of course, always do so with extreme caution, or better yet, just leave it to us to show you from the safety of your couch. Everything would look so different here, with water full and flowing fast. Right now, it's just beautiful and fast and flowing, but it might look angry in the spring. Who knows? We'll have to come back and check it out. Kind of slidey. Just like in chess, golf, and one pocket, you always want to plan 2 steps ahead while hiking. Meaning, we are always going to different places that we've never been, and sometimes I can get swept away by the beauty of whatever amazing place I'm approaching and just start beelining it to my destination, when in reality, I always want to take that extra minute to stop, assess my surroundings, and plan my next 2 steps.
This is Lower Alpine Falls. This is not the safest place to be, but it is beautiful.
Good job, Washington. Another breathtaking waterfall right off the roadside. My favorite. Will you just look at the color of that water? Natural, raw beauty. No filters here. That is what I love the most about these glacier-fed rivers in Washington. You're not going to find an ugly one. They just get more and more beautiful. You know, I'd be mad about some raindrops on my camera lens, but waterfall mist, it's more like a rite of passage.
Wow. I snuck down all the way to the lower waterfall and I can feel the mist. It is just so refreshing. The air is cooler down here and it smells of alpine pine trees. What a great name for Alpine Falls. This is all the creek bed in the high water season. I would only be doing this at the very end of summer, beginning of fall, and it still freaks me out. Alpine Falls, you are beautiful and dangerous.
If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. And if you didn't like this video, leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you too. Thanks so much. We love having you here on all of our adventures.
Thanks for watching Cities and Seashores.
See you on our next adventure.
Hi, we're here. Where are we? We're here on What's That Sound?